welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are quickly introducing our Hello Sunshine Remix collection. And the papers in this collection come in 12 by 12 size in both the collection kit and individual packs. We have our 6 by 6 paper pack and then also these adorable little mini notebooks. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at the 12 by 12 papers, and in this collection pack there are 2 of each paper for a total of 12 papers. You can also get these papers in a pack of 12, so that would be one of the styles in 12 sheets of the one style, and this is great when you're making invitations or mass producing something. You can get a ton of one color all in one shot. But here we're going to take a look at each paper, and this is the Luna paper. You can see it says Hello Sunshine on the front, and it has those cute little stars and moon on the back. Here is this adorable banner paper. This is the Claire Remix paper, and on the back we have this awesome hot pink that I just love. This is the May Remix, and it's got these tone-on-tones little bees, which are adorable. And on the back we have this great kind of gridline blue that I love using for skies. This is our April Remix, and this one I love. My 80s girl inside me loves it. We've got hearts and rainbows and stars on the front, and then on the back we have this awesome sunburst that is gorgeous. I love that yellow. Our next paper is our Stella Remix, and here we have this beautiful rainbow stripe on the front, and on the back we have this great neutral gray that I just love. It's teeny tiny little polka dots. It's the perfect background. And here is our Skyler Remix. These clouds make the best sky for your cards. I love them so much, and those rainbow raindrops coming down. And on the back it says, "Oh, happy day," and that print is just adorable. And then here you can see that those same 6 papers repeat, so you're getting 2 of each in that collection pack, which I love because you don't have to hoard it because you've got 2 of each paper. So here is a look at all of these papers together so you can see how they mix and match. I adore the colors in this collection, and they're just so much fun to kind of play off each other and put into your cards. I really like mixing and matching them with the other new collection, Dandy Day, as well. They go really, really great together. Now you may wonder, why is this called Hello Sunshine Remix? Well, if you're a longtime Lawn Fawn fan, you may recognize this collection from 5 years ago. So we did this collection a long time ago, and we kept getting requests to bring it back. And I thought, oh my gosh, I miss it too. I would love to have it back. So we did a little remix. We kind of mixed up the papers a little bit and brought it back. And I love that we get to play with these papers again. Here is the 6 by 6 pad, and this has 36 sheets in it, which means you get 3 of each design. You can see just how gorgeous these are. The designs are reduced down about 50%. You can see they are just adorable. So I love being able to have both the 12 by 12 kind of bigger scale and the smaller scale, and I actually mix and match them on my cards depending on what look I'm going for. But I love seeing them in this little tiny print, especially those tiny clouds. They are just adorable. And then our Oh Happy Day. And then here you'll see that that pattern repeats again. So we're going to have 3 of each paper in this pack. Now I wanted to show you a comparison between the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6 so that you can see the difference between the two. I love that little teeny tiny Hello Sunshine, and here we're going to compare it to the bigger version. So there's a nice look at it. We're also going to go ahead and compare the clouds too. This is really great to look at, and I've been using both on my cards. So when I made my little slider with Really High Five, I used the tiny clouds, and when I made my card with Dandy Day and the meadow backdrop, I used the big clouds. So it just depends on whatever look you're going for on your project. Next up, we're going to take a look at the mini notebooks, and I am in love with these cute little mini notebooks. So in the pack, you get 2 different notebooks, and they're in the style of our Hello Sunshine collection. So you can see those adorable little clouds we have there, and when you open up the notebook, we've got this great little design with lines to write on and those cute little clouds in the upper left-hand and lower right-hand corner. And I love these notebooks for writing in lists. They're great little gifts. They're really fun to decorate too and personalize for a friend, especially because there's 2 in a pack. You can keep one for yourself and surprise a friend just with a little random act of kindness with one of these little notebooks. Now here's the one with those little rainbows and hearts on them that I just love. And in the corners again we have these cute little rainbows and some dotted lines this time. So I just love these notebooks. I've got them stashed everywhere. I keep notes, grocery lists, etc. We all love using them at the office, and they're just so super cute. And here's a comparison between the 2 notebooks on the inside. Once again, these are just adorable. I just love them, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think about them. So coming up, we have some super cute cards by the design team using the Hello Sunshine Remix papers. And this card by Elise is so cute with the peekaboo backdrop and a bug deal. I absolutely adore it. Here you can see how Audrey filled in those stripes in the stripy backdrop with Hello Sunshine papers, and I absolutely love this card. Shari created the most gorgeous little mini album here. You'll see on the front, it's a magic iris that opens up to this cute heart. And then on the inside, she has these amazing pages, and it makes me want to make a mini album. So we all went to Disneyland here, a bunch of the Fawnies and some Jen and Shari were visiting, and so she created a whole album of everything that we did at Disney. So it was so much fun. You can see how she's mixed and matched the papers. She's used things like older alphabets like Owen's ABCs here and our awesome hearts dies. And here she's used some of our Cole's ABCs letters and little banner flags. And you can see just how great these papers layer on top of each other for totally different looks on each of the pages. These styles here that she did in the mini album would also be really, really cute on a card too. So I love that we can get inspired by an album to make a card as well. Elena made the cutest Easter card with our Easter before and afters, and I love that blue paper as the sky. And this card by Letitia is so cute. Those balloons look great cut out of the 6x6 papers. Here, Kara's awesome pull tab. You'll see when she pulls it, that little chrysalis is going to turn into a butterfly. So cute, and I love the layering of pattern papers. Here, Melissa has made the most gorgeous layout. She used our brand new Oliver stitched ABCs for the title and our music notes dies to fill in those little squares that she created. I love the mix and match of her papers, and that gray dotted paper as the base is just beautiful with her black and white photos. And here Tammy created the cutest stamp scene, mixing and matching a bunch of the new stamp sets, and on the background you can see that awesome Hello Sunshine paper that looks so great. So I can't wait to see what you guys do with Hello Sunshine Remix, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!